Masoge mwancho muligirali w'Ensoko TV igenete ngo mubasono muyore nandeli tukolero ni lyo mukubyo sitaliki 11 mutinyu mutangani mwaka w'ekiri 2025 nemo nanemo na semesa ya Amayia bono tuchikoba to kwaliganira kumanye ayagendete kurwa ase chinsemo ngikiriya barayi bakwanire kire sebinyoro byito nanemo no ngakitoko genda koba to kwagacha gusiye ito nanemo no kumanyanga ngakitoko kwagacha chinse ito asomo basobono mwancho muligirali gatieme gano tubwate niliyo gatabanga rusagia rwa kitawa go sechinsemo chirichia kurwa county ya Kisii ni gobono banyareko bagachora abarayi babachiko bakobara egeka kimya ketano nabo tubwatia sensemo yo mtandao ali sensemo ya Facebook buna Soko TV nabo tubwatia sensemo ya YouTube buna Ensoko TV nchengoro kwa Innocent Onyango. Bakoli emerimo bechi company chons chokwana na chinguru cyumuriro imeyense ya Kenya inse yekiombe kyabo gekorokunga oboene bwabo gekurwa na gusoboene bwabo gekurunga Kenya Electrical Trade and Allied Workers Union kekuru kwa sobwenge nga Ketawi urosagirwa South Nyanza nigo bakoliro bochori bogochora abarayi barachie ko bakubara asigeka kimyaka etanere bosio bagokwana nabaliki bamangana asichia bisichabo chia Kenya Power ichiri chinsemo chia daraja 2 imeyomuchi okisi nigo egatia barayabo abachorwa banyarako bakuruchinkwana chiabo bakorawa no muri kyo monene Wycliffe Bonuke no munyakirogo Peter Omega nigo bayi bakire mbuyamono abwatani bonsi asoba choliobo bwa tobo terero na boy go kuliya ira gochikoba bakobakorera emiremo na gwikirania amagani yabo.
The elected branch secretary South Nyanza ambao tumekuwa na uchaguzi siku ya leo katika chama ja union ya wafanyikazi ambao wanafanya na Kenya Power. Huu uchaguzi umekuwa kwa kaunti 4 ikiwa Nyamira County, Kisii County na Migori County.
I want to take this particular opportunity to thank all the members who have sacrificed their time, their wealth, their energy to come and participate in these democratic elections. I want to commit before you and before the Almighty God that I will serve you fairly, without favor or favoritism or any shortfall. I commit that I will serve all equal.
Mimi ni kuwapongeza wafanyikazi ambao wamekuja wakafanya uamuzi kwamba for the next 5 years tutakuwa tunawaongoza. Sasa kitu kingine nasema ni kwamba wale wote sasa wafanyikazi wa South Nyanza wote ni wafanyikazi wetu. Sasa tutafanya kazi kama timu moja ili tuweze kutetea wafanyikazi wapate haki yao. Our CBA went to SRC. It came back for some clarification. Now we want to promise that our first agenda as the elected leaders to make sure kwamba tumefuatilia hiyo CBA na National Office ambayo iende SRC na irudi iwe registered ili members wapate hiyo CBA waanze kuenjoy their benefits.
We have the biggest challenge. Mwanaume ni pesa. You are all aware. Our current CBA is still dormant. We were to really get the CBA before the end of last year. Unfortunately, we were not able to get it. Together with those who are elected, I commit we will work as a team and deliver our CBA as soon as possible.
Ofisi kuu itusaidie tupate CBA. Tunataka hizi miaka 5 tunataka kufanya kado. To make sure CBA iko active. Hatutaki kuwa kila siku inaenda ofisi SRC ikirudi wapi? Ikirudi
Kero chiskuru ao chigendrete gochengera machibu amaya nabo igo kurikia omubaro monene bw'abana gosaborokiwa bali bachikogenda Sech University skuru ya Metembe SDA nabo igo eli abamura ya Sameta nigo chiakolibiya nabo igo asibanyara ko babakonyora libaga lya konyora machibu amaya munyakirogo nando yoro mwana siasa kurwa sense moye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Patrick Lumumba nigesokiri na gwakira abana bonsi begesa kukyumugusi ubanyora amachibu amayasa matemu ayo.
Atukwa na A minus, we add 2B process, 14B, 29B minuses, 73 C plus, 56 C, 25 C minus, and 1 D plus.
Abantu baito bagusi more especially abantu baito bakitutu Chache South. Ncheno Mheshimiwa Lumumba Patrick ndete goteba mna litko lya rero na abana omugoko monene ase engencho abana baito baturusetio bosoku. Abana baito na babajasi bale isiko ya gusi abakoleta amangana amaya kworoke mna ntubwato bongo bokwaga chensei. Igo asabana baito ngoteba congratulations esega sengia mwakolete na ande simwabeta omugusi werigeiri otore Rift Valley otore Nairobi otore Mombasa tuko kila mahali tuko hata Ulaya nima atabagusi wherever they are abago perform buya igonda tokoteba mna abagambi baito moteme kokonga asamangana bursaries na abana bali baito batanyorete GA ose C+ and above bagende university yango batena chitive tinchiroro mna cha plumbing, electrician, mechanical engineering chigas chinyinge muranyari kwerigeria nako kobeko bugume semesa ino igongo batena mwasa kwito moyo mwasa batano mwana ogure chitive tinchiroro chisaine na ande bono president njaro de mikatano ne chisa cha Germany abana baito bakora TVs na bakwenda even Germany bagenda UK gukora chigasyororo wikabaite iratu baite chitive
Mweskobi we kanisa ya Katoliki Diocese ya Machakos Norman Wambua sabira abarayi siasa gukora siasa ekurenda ensi ya Kenya nabo igo asanyara ko bagatebanga ensi ya Kenya kiyariga nitwichi kokora ochori bwa yobonne nigo bono babwenete ko babakutwara siasa ya maskani nigaya kwanetaya somoyega woko mwenyo mugaka Jonathan Kilu ime county ya Machakos moyega oikerene twe nabarayi gati yabo no Mosque Steven Kalonzo Musyoka bikiama ya WPF nabo igo rigate gachagwa bikiama ya DCP nabarayi kurwa ime ye county yu ya Machakos.
Najua mtazungumza mambo ya siasa. Hiyo ni kawaida. Kile ningependa kusema ni kwamba tuna babu yetu hapa. Na tunapozungumza tujue yuko. Tutoe heshima kwa maana yeye ni baba na babu yetu, tuwe na heshima. Cha pili ni kwamba tunajua ndio lazima tufanye siasa, lakini ni kulinda nchi yetu. Kenya is our home. We have to retain that and protect our country ili tubaki kitu kimoja. Nikiangalia wengi wenu, because I've been around for a while, nyote you have been all together at one stage or another, maybe differed here and there. And I also want to believe you are not even enemies, you only differ in certain areas. So please, let's maintain peace in our country as we look for votes, we hunt for votes, and we don't incite the wananchi, because Kenya is our home and we are going to be here and we have no other home. Wishing you well.
Tutigalete somo yego yubwo ko mwenye mwako yuasilieta Jonathan Kilu muraiwe kiamagia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo amochirie abarai bakuru orogongo rwa sugusu ya mocha ya Kenya korengana na Rigathi Gachagua chinga kichekire obunyamigo korwa ase bitau byechibesa elio kumanya chi trillion korengana nere chi amagendro chenyere chikorwa igwa gochia senseme yu echo Rigathi Gachagua bateba nigo chibonete okora amagendro gati yabo no kwagacha chiskuru kurende agoteba pinto binde bitararekana na mona sanyara ko bateba ng'abarai abuni go bakari ko bakwagacha chinyumba asensemo ya Isli umuske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ugekiama kya YPF asensemo yaye nigamochirie kiombe gya IBC asastebire tabwatyo kwegena gochiase omobisa bw'emirobelio yekiombe kyo gya IBC Hussein Marijan.
Wale magavana na MPs ya Northeastern kwa jumla tangu devolution ikuje wamepata in excess of 1 trillion pesa ya devolution, equalization fund na ya CDF. Wamekataa kujenga mashule. Pesa hiyo yote wanapora, wanaenda kujenga mall Isili, wanaenda kununua apartment Lavington, alafu wanapiga kelele ati watoto yao wakuje wasome hapa Machakos. Sisi naambia watu ya Northeastern lazima tutetee nyinyi, kwa sababu mtatetewa na nani? Magovernors yenu, MPs yenu, senators yenu wanaishi Nairobi. Nilikuwa nikiwa deputy president nikitaka kwenda Mandera, governor, MPs wananiuliza huko na ndege. Nasema ndio, utubebe, tunamaliza tutarudi na hao. They stay here in Nairobi. Instead ya pesa ku develop Mandera and Wajir and Garissa, wana develop Isili na South Sea. So what we are Northeastern, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene Wamalwa, watatetewa na nani?
Marijan cannot, hawezi kusimamia uchaguzi ujao asiyo, because atakuwa amebakisha sijui 1 year up to next year. So the best thing hii commission imuunde apatiwe whatever balance yake atoke, because he is the problem. We cannot have free and fair election with a person called Marijan who is already renewed mathematics, renew kila kitu.
Totigarita sensemo ya siasa muraiwe kiama kia People's Liberation Party PLP umuske madhakarwa wesokiri na komochi muraiwe nse umuske William Ruto asikilia tebire nigagendrete gotumeka abanyanyimba ase enchirembe gochia ase bali bakwamereria serikali yaye muske madhakarwa otebire muraiwe nse nigo ebwerete gose nigabwenerete kubeka umukia gokora magendero gochia saba Kenya.
Harassing the opposition when they are going about their legitimate campaigns. Tomorrow he too is in Nyeri, in Shinga. I do not wish that he has any hard time. He should be listened to, given his respect. But he must not send police with tear gas to tear gas members of the opposition like they did to Gachagua in Kirinyaga, like they have done to Gachagua many times in church. What are you afraid of? Let people mingle freely and let the verdict be that of the people. William Ruto used to almost cry tears when complaining when once or twice he was tear gassed when he was Uhuru Kenyatta's DP. And for that reason he said he'll never mistreat anyone or his DP. He's a man who goes back on his words. Stop harassing the opposition. Mind your own business. Mind matters in Kenya.
Mwali wa kurwa sensi ya Buganda omurwaniri w'ekiro ky'oburaibense Robert Chagulani uyu nando manyekanta aseli etalinde buna Bobby Wine nigagendete chikambeni chiaye cyo mwelyo imeyense yu ense ya Buganda nigerache gutwara bocori bwayo bonene kitariki 15 cyumutinyo yo mutangani mwancu muri muraibense yo ya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nigale gati y'abarwaniriri batano batatu bekirwo cy'oburai bwense ya Buganda ense ya Buganda nigera tware umutimoko kitariki 15 na 15 nemo karabara chikoba bagokora obocori ubu umutimoko yu nigora ligwe n'umurai bwense yo Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. rwatioru kurwa sense ya Buganda ni gorwa twikire omwelio wa Amayia kurwa semesa ya Nsoko TV mwanchu muligiri mbuya mono asoko nyore biro nakoba na intwe gendera ko chengere merobeli ito ase egetaseni egegendete koba na mbeye maseliro bali ya gusina ndeke gendete gukina tutogote bigenda gutubwatia sense ya moyito emitandao semeli ya Facebook na botubwati bine Nsoko TV ogenda semeli ya YouTube subscribe Nsoko TV ilio nyara koba gogo chengera na kunyara koba gukwemanyi na wesomi ali agendete gokorekana kurwa ase chinsemo nimanyete ngomu basobono chiribu chiaba bwatani be club ya Shabana nigo basoira sigeti ya Gusi Stadium iligo chikoba bago sonsa egosori gati ye club ekyo na Gor Mahia chikoba gekosorigu Chinsa Isano isato chiribu si umwancho murigireri ninyegenete nga nogendere kona okubwatia kirege ntokorwa segeta seni kigeito mwancho murigireri Italiane Innocent Onyango.